at tumayo sa ating pananampalataya. And God Himself said in Genesis 16:1 that I am your shield. Kaya pag sinabing shield of faith, ang shield natin mismo, ang God mismo ang ating shield. But the question is this: what is our shield in God? Psalms 91:4 NASB. He will cover you with pinions. Under His wings you may take refuge. His faithfulness is a shield and wall. Kaya pag sinabing shield of faith, yung shield of faith is about the faithfulness of God. So the Bible clearly said that the faithfulness of God is our shield and wall. Yun ang ating shield, yun ang ating wall. Meaning, yung katapatan ng Diyos ang pinanghahawakan natin bilang shield tsaka wall against the fiery arrows of the devil. In short, the shield of faith means having faith in the faithfulness of God. Tayo po ay manampalataya sa katapatan ng Diyos. Because the faithfulness of God is the character of God. Because God is bound who He is. And He can never change or be less than who He is, even in the smallest or lowest degree. Hindi niya ibababa yung kanyang katapatan po kahit doon sa pinakamababa o saan man, basta siya ay mananatiling tapat po sa atin. Meaning God is always Himself and will never change His faithfulness. In fact, in Lamentation 3:23 says, they are new every morning. The mercy of God is new every morning, and great is your faithfulness. Great is your faithfulness. Supporting verses, Hebrews 10:23. Let us hold fast the confession of our hope without wavering. Why? For He, God, who promised, is faithful. God who promised to you is faithful.